back to my video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this beautiful bouquet of flowers for all occasions. For step one, we are going to need to have a piece of paper, and a pencil is optional. I'm going to be using it to make mine more even. You're going to roll it up and kind of make it like another pencil. As you can see, this side is a little bigger than this side, but it's fine. And then once you get to the end, you're going to grab your hot glue gun and put some hot glue on the paper or whatever glue you're using and roll it up. Make sure to be very careful with the hot glue if you are using one. Have to let it dry for a little bit. You kind of have to push it down with something. Okay, now you have to get the pencil out. Now that you have gotten the pencil out of the straw-like paper, you are going to cut off the end that looks kind of like a triangle. Then you are going to grab a green marker or crayon or whatever you're using. Now that we are done coloring our stem of the flower, we are going to grab another piece of paper. For this piece of paper, you are going to fold it and make the width of how big you want your petals to kind of be. For me, I want mine to be about a ruler size. So mine is going to look like this. And then you're just going to cut it. And then you're going to grab the color you want your flower to be. So I'll be back once I'm done. Now that you have colored your entire sheet of paper, you are going to put it back to its original shape and grab your hot glue gun again. And you are going to glue these two sides together. And then you're going to just glue it together, just like that. Once it is dry, you are going to take your scissors and flip your thing over so that the part that was glued is facing away from you. And just cut it the way you want your petals to be. So I'm cutting mine like this. Now that you are done, it should look like this. And then you're gonna grab this. You're gonna grab your hot glue gun again, or any glue you have, and just glue along here where the petals aren't. And then you're gonna grab your stem and put it on. And usually you have to do this part first because you have to like let it dry a little bit. And once it is, you're just gonna like start turning it like this. And you just add more glue and keep on turning it. Beautiful. And if you want your flowers to be longer like this one, you're gonna have to make one more of these and glue it on. So I'm gonna make one more and then I'll be right back. Now that I am done making this one, I'm gonna glue it back onto my, bouquet or flower, whatever you wanna call it. Put the glue on it. And this part's kind of tricky because you have to line it up with this one. So you kind of have to like put this like kind of in it and then start spinning. Let it dry for a second. Turn it again, and then you're finished.